Go ahead and lay back over here, Mama, so I can take your tape off. Or you want to stay sitting?
Lay down, Nana.
Lay down, please.
Lay down. It's easier if you lay down.
I know, Mama.
You don't want to lay down.
A lot of tape here, huh? You're doing really good, Mama.
Lay down, Mama.
Like to sit up and watch.
Turn around.
Okay, Mama, on the count of 3, okay? 1, 2, 3. All done.
Wink. Let me see. Is it okay? Feel okay? It doesn't hurt?
Yes. No.
Okay, good.
That's a 1 inch.
Next time
She
you
probably needs a 3/4. You want your Band-Aid?
Oh,
Your Band-Aid?
Iron
You
Man
saw
did
the
it.
outies go away?
Yes.
All right.
Alright. Let me see. Is it cool? All I see is a big bonza. Look at that. Look at that big bonza.
Yeah.
I can't.